Fish. That's a good fish. Take this boy over here to my secret spot. Hot diggity dog. You ain't keeping fish, are you?
Nah.
That's a good fish.
Yeah, it is.
That's one thing about these fish this time of year. Like freight trains. It's a good fish. Hear another one bend down. Come on now. I want to hear another one bend down. That's what I love when you're fighting one like this, and all of a sudden you hear one up there do the same thing. God, I love it. Here, you're on your own, buddy.
Nice. One just busted right behind him. See it? Heck yeah.
Ooh, don't be gut hook. Ooh, right in the corner of the mouth. Oh, I didn't get my pliers out. Shit. Always happens. First fish, I ain't got my pliers out. I'm gonna probably need the net. There's another one on.
Yep, another one right there too.
2, 3 fish.
We got 3.
Take your time. See which one's. That's a big one there.
That one's streaming behind you.
That's all right. Let me get one to you. Keep that fish coming that way. Oh shit, it's wrapped. Oh, that ain't that big. That rascal was smoking. Go ahead and get in and see. Oh, I lost my weight.
Oh, there's still one on here.
I know. You get dropped on the floor. We'll reel that one in. Crazy crap happens out here on the deadliest catch, guys. You gotta be prepared. Oh God, that's a big old striper. This guy's catching tanks today. God almighty. That's another big one. Hot day, hot day. That's 5-pounder. Woo! You push the button, put it right back in the rod holder. Watch when that back ones go down. That back one needs to go down. You want a picture of him?
Down over here.
Do you want a picture?
Yeah, I got a picture.
That fish ain't that big. You can leave it in the water. Here. You stand the net up there once you get them in your hand. That's the way it's done, boys. Look at those fish on the screen. Hot diggity dog over here in my secret spot. Hot dog. Another fish on right here. There's a baby. Go ahead and release that one right there. Or here, take this. Oh, this is baby. Look at this little catfish. Slimy dimey. Hot diggity dog. Catfish gotta eat too, guys. Is he gut hooked? If he's gut hooked, throw him in here. If you don't think he's gonna make it, I give him to the guy under the bridge.
David.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's hooked down the straight. Uh-oh, got one in the back. Another good one.
That's a good fish. Hot diggity dog over here in my secret spot. Hot diggity dog. Is the baby?
Yeah, he's coming up here.
They fight like freight trains this time of year. A little high, bro. Good fish though. Good eater. Push that button, put it right back in the rod holder. You don't want a picture of him, do you?
Nah, I'm good.
Oh shit. Check
I
that.
say, check that thing.
It's alright. Give the fish a fighting chance.
I'm going to bait some hooks again.
I know, I gotta tie on some hooks too and some leaders. Right, way to go. What's the boy's name? William. Go, William. Get him, boy. You gonna be on my YouTube channel, son. Good fish, good fish.
tax collector.
All right. Way to go. William, hold him up. Let's see how big he is. All right. Way to go. Nice fish. Beautiful. Beautiful. Where is it?
Up there.
Oh, wait. It goes that far?
Oh man, my other one will go over a mile.
So if it gets out of range, it'll automatically come back?
Yeah.
Okay.
But that's the bad part because we're moving, so it thinks home is back there where it's wet.
Oh, it does. It
That's
doesn't.
the only bad part about flying it over the water.
I got you. Well, if you needed me to, I can spot lock.
Yeah.
It's too late now. You already
Oh
let.
yeah.
It's too late now. You let me know if you need a spot lock. I'll just spot lock. Come on, we need a rod to bend over. Oh, there it is. I see it. Come on, Lord. Let these rods start bending over. Oh, look at the bird. Look at the osprey. You might better bring it in. What's it going to do? Attack it?
Yep.
Why?
Because it thinks it's something.
That is friggin' awesome. Man, you're good with that thing. That's cool. That is cool.
A little extra video for your video.
That is cool. Oh shoot! Sorry about that. Sorry about that, guys. This wind's messing me up. Kitty cat. Big kitty cat. Kitty cat. Kitty cat. Slimy dimey. Maybe not. He just didn't wake up. Nice damn striper or hybrid. It's 5-pounder. Let's see if I can sling him in. Now get the. That's a nice striper. We'll take a picture of him.
Heck yeah.
Rascal Dascal. Over here in my secret spot. Woo!
These are about 4 or 5 year old.
God almighty. Yeah, just a baby. Good fish though. That rascal looks like he got hooked. Oh no, I don't have to kill him.
Got hooked down on him.
Just a rascal dascal. Woo, that rascal mad at me. Very big, he should have pulled some drag. No catfish?
Yep.
Damn slimy dimey. Hey, we won't bait this. We're gonna run up Richland. Let's go see what's up there just for shits
Catch
and
a
giggles.
catfish. It's time to go. Unless you ain't caught none the whole trip.
Kitty cat. Slimy dimey. So, anyway, this is, oh, that rascal. Oh, no, he's not. So, baby. Ain't no catfish. I love that sound.
Me too.
All right, I want to hear another one go down. I want to hear another one go down. Give him hell. You don't want to come in, rascal boy. Little guy, fighting like a tank. Look how little that guy is. That rascal fought now.
He didn't know he's little. Oh.
Hot diggity dog. That's the way I like it. Goodbye, city life. Alright guys, we did a little better today than that last trip. I got spanked last time I was out here. Got Blake Jones. What's the name of your guide service?
Against the grain charter.
Oh, that's right, Against the Grain. I knew that. I just can't remember that. Anyway, my trip canceled for tomorrow, Saturday, guys, so I'm probably going to take the weekend off, spend with the wife, and be out here again next week.